algebraic method. So first, see, don't feel that you won't identify. You can easily identify, and those who are um, having the mindset you can do anything, this is just your misconception. See, this is class, this is online class, which is also, n number facilities which is available. So please maintain proper discipline. So while discussing graphical method, see procedure. To solve two simultaneous equations in two variables by graphic method, we proceed as follows. First of all, find the value of one variable. See, in two variable, what happened? There is a one variable which is x and another variable which is y. So, while solving, first of all, find the value of one variable. Means if there is an equation, first you should find out the value of one variable. If you find out the value of one variable, put the value of one variable in equation. To some values of the another variable for the two equations separately. See, you should see the if and then effect. If the value of x equals to suppose 0, so value of y will be what? If the value of x is 3, so value of y will be what? If the value of x 6, then the value of y. Then next is then draw the graph of each linear equation in Cartesian system. See, there is a x-axis and there is a y-axis. In right side there is a positive value and left side there is a negative value. So according to equation you should find out the values, and according to point you draw the line. Variable x is taken on x-axis and variable y is taken along y-axis by using a suitable scale. So the two lines to obtain will be cross each other at a point. ये जो both line है definitely वो cut करेगी एक दूसरे को a certain point में. The coordinates of this point of intersection is the required solution. तो ये जो both equation in form of line एक दूसरे को intersect करती है, इस की जो value होगी वो x और y की value, ठीक है? So see, you should carry a copy and pen. There is a question, write down. So solve the following simultaneous equation by graphical method. See, there is a question. 2x minus 3y equals to 3 and 4x minus y equals to 11. Concentrate in question instead of your inner characteristics and quality. See, there is a question 2x minus 3y equals to 3 and 4x minus y equals to 11. See, there given the equation, which is 2x minus 3y equals to 3 and 4x minus y equals to 11. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. दिखाई दे रहा है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see if is it visible or not. You should concentrate in my voice to understand the things proper. See, there is a equation 2x minus 3y equals to 3 and 4x minus y equals to 11. So, by solving first equation, 2x minus 3y equals to 3. So, here, if you solving this equation, so 2x equals to, इसको राइट हैंड साइड में देख रहे हैं, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो
3 plus 3y.
प्लस 3y,
Right.
fine. Then x ये 3 को इधर देख रहे हैं, 2x minus equals to 3y. Here 2x minus 3 equals to 3y. Then y equals to 2x minus 3 divided by 3. ये इसके नीचे आ जाएगा, ठीक है? So here we solve first equation and here the value which is to find out y equals to
2x minus 3 divided by 3.
minus 3 divided by 3. Fine? Then there is an effect. We give some values. We give some values to x and find out the value of y. Is it okay? We give some value to x and find out the value of y. So, if x equals to suppose 0, then the value of y equals to, so first I am giving the value of x equals to 0. So putting in this equation, there is an equation y equals to 2x minus 3 upon 3. So here the value of x is 0.
0 आएगा.
0 minus
Minus 1.
3.
Minus 1
2 into
Minus
0
1.
minus 3
1.
divided by 3.
minus 1.
So equals minus 1. 2 into 0 equals to 0. minus 3 divided by 3 equals to minus 1. So if the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1. Okay? If the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1. In the same way, if the value of x is 3, then again we should solve this equation. Fine. If value of x equals to 3,
सर y की वैल्यू 1.
So y की होगी
this equation y equals to 2 into 3 minus 3 whole divided by 3. So here the value of x is 3. So 2 3s are 6 minus 3 divided by 3 equals to
1.
1, which is positive 1. Y equals to 2x minus 3 divided by 3 if the value of x is 3. So while putting in this equation, the value of x is 3. So 2 3s are 6 minus 3 divided by 3. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. Then if the value of x suppose 6, then y equals to 2 into 6 minus 3 divided by 3. Here we change the
y की
value
वैल्यू 3.
3 by 1.
what will be the effect in the value of y. So 6 2s are 12 minus 3 divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay? See here, if the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 3.
ओप्पो बज रहा है.
पोपो. किसका बजा? Hello guys.
See, if the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 3.
Hello Nilesh.
If the value of x is 9, if the value
ठीक
of
है
x
सर
is
मेरे भाई.
so y equals to 2 into 9 minus 3 divided by 3.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
5
9 into 3 divided by 3 equals to 5.
अमन कहाँ गया अमन? बैठा है बाजू में.
See, if the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1. If the value of x is 3, the value of y is 1. If the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 3. If the value of x is 9, then value of y is 5. In same way, we solve, second equation. in same way. Up to this point is it okay? Then next equation. 4x minus 5 equals to 11. 4x minus 5 equals to 11. So, here the value 4x transfer करेंगे 11 plus 1. So, y equals to 4x minus 11. So, again, we give some values to x. If x equals to 0, then the value of y equals to, the equation is y equals to 4x minus 11. So, if the value of x is 0, then y equals to 4 into 0 minus 11. So, y equals to minus 11.
Minus 11.
So, if the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus, yani there is a negative value 11. Then, if the value of x is 3, if the value of x is 3, then y equals to 4 into 3 minus 11. So 12 minus 11 equals to positive 1. So if the value of x is 3, then the value of y is plus 1. If the value of x is 5, the value of x is 5, so y equals to 4 into 5 minus 11. So 20 minus 11 equals to 9. The value of x is 5. Then the value of y is 9. And if the value of x is 6, if the value of x is 6, so y equals to 4 into 6 minus 11.
Repeat.
24
13.
minus 11 equals to
Yes, yes, yes.
13.
13.
If the value of x is 6, then the value of y is
13.
13. So while solving both equations, we receive some value.
रिपीट करा तो शेर
See, then we use, scale. See, this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Here, this one is x-axis. Here, the value which is positive. This is, origin. And here, y-axis. There is a positive value. There is a negative value. There is a positive value. There is a negative value. To see, the value of x is maximum 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई ग्राफ
5, 6,
छोटा है सर, ग्राफ छोटा है।
then the value of y, which is
छोटा है सर बहुत।
बकरी है भाई बकरी
3,
ग्राफ बड़ा कर दो सर।
नीचे से लंबा करना पड़ेगा।
3, 4,
ऊपर से
5, 6,
भाई नीलेश
सर
बड़ा
माइनस में
करो।
सर नीचे वाला लंबा
अरे
करो, मत
नीलेश
मिटाओ। अरे
हाँ
यार
ऋषि, अबे
बड़ा
ऋषि तेरे को
करना भाई।
फॉलो रिक्वेस्ट भेजा इंस्टाग्राम में, एक्सेप्ट तो कर ले भाई।
अरे हाँ भाई क्लास में वो देख नहीं लो करता।
हाँ भाई क्लास पे हो, क्लास पे।
सर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं लेकिन भाई ये तो
don't talk, please. See, this is the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last
और बिलाई
9.
में सब बढ़िया है ना ऋषि?
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there is a union negative value. So minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, if the value of x is 0, means origin, and the value of y is minus 1, it means this blue dot here and this point value is 0 and minus 1. And then if the value of x is 3, it means this. If the value of x is 3, then the value of y is 1. It means this point. Here, the value is x is 3, y is 1. And if the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 3. If value of x is 3 and value of y is 3. If the value of x is 9, value of y is 5. So, connect all the dots, and this is, equation 1. Equation 1. And then same way, second equation. In second equation, if the value of x is 0, the value of y is minus 11. Minus 11. So here 0 and minus 11. There is a dot. If the value of x is 3, then value of y is 1 in same point. And if the value of x is 5, then the value of y is 9. It means in this point, value of x is 5 and value of y is 9. And if the value of x is 6, then y is 13. 6 and 13. Then connect this line. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. And both the equation intersect each other. The point where they intersect each other. See, in this point. So the value of x here is 3 and value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1, which is the value. Once again, I repeat the whole procedure. In this equation, there are two equations, given equation in form of x and y. First equation, which is 2x minus 3y equals to 3. This is first equation. And second equation is 4x minus y equals to 11. So one by one, we solve the equation. See, 2x minus
Sir, graph is
3y
not visible. Sir,
equals
graph is not
to
visible.
3. What happened?
Sir, graph is not visible.
Graph.
Graph is not visible.
You are
Graph is
having
not
value. You are having value. You can listen my voice. So simply you draw the line and there is a proper equal gap. There is a origin. You receive the value of x and y. If the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1. So
Yes, sir.
this is x-axis and this is y-axis. There is a positive value, whereas this is x-axis in negative value, and this is x-axis in negative value, and this one is negative value of y-axis. So here the value of x is 0 and the value of y is minus 1. So this point, if here the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So below the origin, this point, the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 1.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Point, and then if the value of x is 3, then the value of y is 1, positive 1. If the value of x is 3, then the value of y is 1. Value of x is 3, and the value of y is 1. Then next, if the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 3. See, in your graph, the value of x is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the value of y is 3. This point, the value of x is 6. The value of y is 3. Then next, if the value of x is 9, the value of y is 5. The value of y is 5. If the value of x is 9, then the value of y is 5. So, point and draw all the points. Then you get a line. Fine. Then next, second equation. 4x minus y equals to 11. So if the value of x is 0, then minus 11 means negative side. Negative side, the value of x is 0. Then the value of y is minus 11. Then if the value of x is 3, the value of y is 1. The value of x is 3, the value of y is 1. This is, the point where the both line intersect with each other. And this point, which is the solution of the value of x and y. See, if the value of x is 5, the value of x is 5, then the value of y is 9. So this is 5, this one is 9. There is a point. There is a point. You put a point in 5, 9. The value of x is 5 and the value of y is 9. If the value of x is 6, the value of x is 6, then the value of y is 13. The value of x is 6, and the value of y is 13. Point. And correct again all the points. You will receive one more line. And these two lines intersect each other in a particular point. This point, which is the value of x and the value of y. So in this equation, both the equation intersect in particular this. Fine. So here the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1. So
Fish mark. Bazaar.
once again I should repeat.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Listen to me.
No,
No, sir.
Listen to me. There is no rocket science. If you are interested to solve the business mathematical problem, do one thing simple, which is practice. You carry college copy and pen, and each and every calculation doing by your own self. Then only you are having command in business mathematics. Otherwise, it's difficult. Now, so see, maybe it's happened. I am not magician. While solving, I can explain each and every concept. It's not practically possible. I am only try to explain him. And if you understand and not understand, whatever the situation it may be, if you are interested in that, you should practice in your home. Self-study. There is no other way to solve. Fine. So this is the procedure to solve the graphical method. In exam, you will receive graph paper where each and every lines you like this 1 centimeter equals 10 lines. You can mention your measure. It totally depends the equation which is mentioned in question and the value which you receive. See, there is a highest value in x-axis 0.369. So here the maximum value is 9, and again there is no value which is crossed the 9. So maximum limit is 9. And here while observing 5, there is a highest value 5, but here there is a value which is more than 5, which is 13. So you should keep in mind, I should draw the diagram which covers in x-axis maximum 9, whereas in y-axis maximum 13. You should keep this small thing in your mind, and then only you can easily draw, which is not, not so much tough. If you felt that this is tough, simple thing, you solve 1 or 2 questions by yourself. Definitely, you will be able to solve the question. So, in financial accounting and business mathematics, you have to practice a lot. Then only you will be in the position to solve. Otherwise, it's little bit difficult. Fine. So some of the talented boys and girls making unnecessary voice while I am taking class. So you can easily identify, and you will visit this college with your parents. Our HOD is also observing you. Don't feel that you are alone, no one can observe you. Some boys and girls, they can identify already, they are not interested to attend the class. They are showing their hidden talent or notorious habit. So don't feel you are in college, so you can do anything, whatever you want. Discipline, which is always carry and follow in each and every way. Fine. So don't do this sort of activity. I humbly request you. Otherwise, you will be ready to face the situation. Fine. So yesterday, when I explained, some theory of this, so many students having query. While this practical question, maybe there are some students they can understand. तो ये आप लोगों को कुछ समझ में आया है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
don't-
sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't need much more response. See, being your class only 1 and 2 students give response, that's it. Nothing else. So if you are able to understand the things or not, you should practice, and you should make separate copy for business mathematics. If there is a class, you always carry pen and your copy with you. Fine. So now you write down one question. Write down one question. 2x plus y equals to 5. 2x plus y equals to 5. And 3x plus 2y equals to 8. 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Solve the following equation by graphic method. Solve the following equation by graphic method. Fine. So do one thing. try this question to solve.